Are you doing an open-closed cart type launch where you're only taking student enrollments up to a certain date or a certain number of students? Or maybe you're running cohorts and you want to know how to be able to do this on Thinkific. Today, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Kim Garnett, founder of Brainy Girl and Brainy Girl U, and we help novice course creators get their courses online and into the hands of their buyers. So there's lots of different kinds of launches, but one of them is an open closed cart, meaning you have the sales page that is open for enrollments for a certain period of time or until a certain number of students join, and then people are already going to the sales page, so you need that sales page to remain there, but you don't want to accept any new students. So let's go behind the scenes and see how to do that. So the first way to do that would be to use Thinkific's built-in private and/or hidden courses. So hidden courses can't be accessed unless someone already has or you send them the link to that sales page. They're not just going to kind of find it when they're scrolling through your site. But in this case, we would really need to use the private course feature because theoretically you've already put this link out for people to be able to find your sales page, and now you don't want any more enrollments. And so private courses allow the sales page to be out there, but no students can actually enroll directly. So when you have a course marked as private, anywhere there's a call to action button, it will be replaced by this private course text. And you have ability to modify this text as well. So that's option one. The second option would be to modify your current sales page for the enrollments that have just closed to let them know that the course is currently closed to new enrollments, but don't just leave it there. You want to give them some options. So you could have them click here to view all of your other courses, or if you're running cohorts or you have new enrollments open for the next cohort or the next course, you could actually have a button that leads over to that. And the third option would be to have something like this on the sales page. Now what I've done here is just taken a ConvertKit form that I've created and I've embedded it here on this page in Thinkific so that they can register their interest to be notified when we open to new students. That way I capture their information right here, and after they enter that, I can take them to whatever page I want them to. That might be all of my courses page, it might be a thank you page. It really depends on what you're trying to achieve here, but these are just a couple of options for what you can do if you are doing an open closed cart launch. As always, if you need help, just let us know. You can visit us at brainygirlu.com. And please make sure that you share this video with others who may find it helpful as well. See you next time.